Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I grow in a Zone 5A climate. It gets properly cold in winter, but composting still works a treat. This is a how-to guide to learn simple ways of composting at home. Right then, let's get you started with one of the best things you can do for your garden, making your own compost. It sounds complicated, but I promise it's dead simple. Think of it as a recycling project your plants will absolutely love you for. It's about giving back to the soil what you take out. This guide will show you how to do it in a few easy steps. So, what is compost anyway? Simply, broken down organic matter, banana peels, coffee grounds, leaves and grass clippings. Instead of sending it to landfill, you can create a dark, soil-like material packed with nutrients. My mate Albert calls it black gold. It's a superfood, helps soil hold more water and feeds plants to grow big and strong. It's a win-win. Before you gather scraps, pick a spot. A bit of shade is ideal, easy to reach from your kitchen door and wheelbarrow friendly. Near a water source is a bonus. Place it on bare soil or grass with good drainage. Two main options: a simple pile or a purpose-built bin to keep things contained and tidy. Buy a plastic bin or build one from old pallets. A bin holds heat, which speeds things up. Composting is like baking. You need the right mix of greens and browns. Greens are wet, nitrogen-rich, fruit and veg peelings, tea bags, coffee grounds, fresh grass. Avoid cooked food, meat, dairy and oily stuff. They attract pests and pong. Browns are dry, carbon-rich, leaves, shredded newspaper, plain cardboard, small twigs, straw. Aim for roughly 2 parts brown to 1 part green. Start with a chunky base layer for airflow and drainage. Then alternate, a thick brown layer, a thinner green layer, like a lasagna. After each green layer, sprinkle a little soil or finished compost to seed good microbes. Keep it damp, not drenched. Think wrung-out sponge. If it's dry, add a little water. Heavy rain coming? Cover it with old carpet, wood, or a tarp. Give it a good turn every week or two to bring oxygen in. Turning mixes cool edges into the hot middle so everything breaks down evenly. Quick wins: chop materials and run over leaves with a mower. For speed, try hot composting. Build a big pile. Keep the green-brown ratio right. Keep it moist. Turn often. More effort, but you can get compost in 4 to 6 weeks. Smelly and slimy? Too wet, too many greens. Add lots of dry browns and turn. Seeing pests? Remove meat and cooked food. Stick to plant-based scraps, not breaking down. Add water or a fresh dose of greens and fluff it up. How do you know it's ready? The pile shrinks and looks like rich, dark, crumbly earth. It smells earthy and sweet, with maybe a few tough bits like avocado pits or corn cobs. Toss those back in. Use it as mulch around veg, flowers and shrubs. Suppress weeds, retain moisture, feed roots. Mix into beds or planting holes. It lightens clay and helps sandy soil hold water. Make potting mix with compost, perlite, and topsoil for windowsill herbs or patio tomatoes. Saves money too. Composting is simple and rewarding. Tells us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.